So now that we've created the data in our database, the next step is to create our server. So we're going back from database to server to client. So in order to do this, there's a number of steps which are pretty much boilerplate. It's what you're going to do every time when you set up a new server that uses MongoDB. And we've already done it plenty of times before. So I'm going to set this to you as a challenge. So the first thing you have to do is to create a new directory called Wiki API. And then we're going to initialize npm and install 4 packages: body parser, mongoose, EJS, and express. And then we're going to create a new file called app.js, and inside app.js we're going to add our server code. So that includes requiring all of those modules that we installed and initializing express and setting body parser up. Now, this is something that you need to do every single time. If you prefer, instead of writing it all out, you can also go to that repository at github.com/LondonAppBury/build your own RESTful API. And then if you scroll down, you can see that there's some server starting code that I have put there for you, which you can copy and paste into your app.js. Now, to get extra practice and they try and write it all out, so it's completely up to you which method you want to go down. And once you've set up your server, then the next step is to set up MongoDB. And our database name, as you remember, is called WikiDB, and the collection that it contains is called articles, and all the documents in the article collection has 2 fields: title and content. So using all of that information, you should be able to set up a connection with MongoDB and be able to create the models that you need with Mongoose and be able to set it up. So give that a go. And if you get stuck or if you have any problems, head back over here and I'll walk you through the entire process.